Introduction. Advertisements are developed in such a way that they can capture the audience's attention. For adverts to create an appeal to the targeted individuals, Henry Murray developed 15 emotions that commercial ads must at all times exploit. A long time ago, most consumers followed most ads without trying to question the authenticity and the truth that their messages carry. However, consumers are continuously getting trained on how to pay attention to various underlying appeals as a way of helping them avoid reckless responses. The Samsung Galaxy S3 advertisement is a successful ad since it adheres to a good number of the 15 basic advertisement appeals. The Samsung Galaxy S3 advertisement. The campaign that is displayed in the campaign of selling the Samsung Galaxy S3 went beyond appealing to nonconformists as well as improvement of relevant considerations. Still, it made a very permanent mark in challenging the ideals of people who have previously been made captives of the iPhone. One of the major advertisement appeals observed in the ad is the need for sex. The recurrent appearance of people in pairs elicits romantic thoughts in the audience's minds. It also shows that there are people who are in love, and they are willing to work in pairs while testing the new device, which is Samsung Galaxy S3. The advertisement appeals to the need for sex since there are unambiguous romantic impressions. Such an appeal may attract the audience to continue viewing the advertisement, particularly as a way of following up on the duos who are presumably in love. In the advert, it is also evident that some of the participants wear buttonless shirts. These participants are male, which shows that they most likely will be able to appeal to the sex drives of ladies. Revealing the chest in men may attract many ladies, which can be a way of getting some of the audience to view the ad. The advertisement appeals to the need for affiliation to create a connection between one person to another. The ad specifically attempts to display the product trying to solve some of the existing technology problems by linking them to the existing and unfulfilled desires. These wishes may also include those followed by people who want to be identified with the good company. The people appearing in the are all smartly dressed and trying to get a product from Samsung company. Those who want to have an affiliated relationship with these individuals may also find themselves liking or getting attracted to other people's products. The need for affiliation involves amazing desires to draw near, cooperate, or enjoyably reciprocate with one another. One form of affiliation is friendship, and this can be directly manifested in the ad where people walk in closely knit groups. The other major advertisement appeal in the ad is the need to achieve. With the Samsung Galaxy S6, people are made to believe that they can conquer all forms of obstacles that may come their way. As a means of informing people about the ability of the phone to solve existing problems of data transfers, the advert showcases the capability to easily transfer data and files. Two participants in the advert bring phones together, and tap into each other's memory space, copying and transferring contents immediately. The action shows that the limitations which may have existed in the iPhone 5 are getting solved through the new phone, giving people the ability to achieve more with new technologies. The advert appeals to the need to aggress where bellicose emotions are tactically concealed to create smooth attraction. Although the aggression is concealed in the smiling faces of the participants, it is clear that there is a shocking danger when the Samsung Galaxy is brought closer to another phone. The sharp sound produced was able to scare some other a lady who shockingly asked what just happened. The facial expressions show that the lady will be able to remember the device for a long time since the disruption of silence that it came with may not be easily erased in her mind. This is a successful strategy for the advertisement since it creates a permanent mental image of the product. The advert also appeals to the need for prominence by presenting the product as the one that meets a given social status. The people who are using the phone or carrying it within the advert seem to be enjoying high social status. The advert may indicate that people who will buy and use the gadget will be able to enjoy full status of prominence. The video advert begins with people walking through attractive buildings which are skillfully designed. Therefore, it may translate to the fact that the people who live in aristocratic neighborhoods are using the gadget and so should be witnessed by the people who want to attain the same social status. Conclusion. In conclusion, the advert met most of the needs of an advert. The advertisement set can capture the audience's attention. The advertisement displays great appeal to sex, prominence, affiliation, and achievements which may change the user's perception of the importance of the product. It is easy for the audience to consider purchasing this phone over iPhone 5. Advertisements must convince the consumer that all their needs have been well taken care of. StudyCorgi can help you make your studies smarter. Visit studycorgi.com for more samples like this, study tips, and writing tools.